Somehow, somebody dented this aluminum dust cap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to pull that dent out of it by using a Q-tip and some hot glue. You have to take the fray off of it. I recommend just putting a little bit of hot glue on it all around. On the spot. Hold it in position. I want to be very careful not to get any hot glue on any rubber surfaces. Try to center your Q-tip or whatever you're using as your pulling device as best as you can. Let the hot glue dry for a good amount of time. While I wait for that to dry, I'm going to prep this one. And of course, you can use other things other than Q-tips. I'm just using a Q-tip because that's about all I got on hand. We'll let those dry. Alright, let's give this one a shot. Pulled it right out. This one actually went a little inverted. So it's aluminum. It's not going to be perfect after you pull it out, but I think it's in pretty good shape considering what it was in. Quick disclaimer, do not attempt to do this with a paper dust cap. If you do, it will more than likely tear it. Paper, try to use the vacuum trick. If you're going to do this method, try to stick to the aluminum or the plastic. Plastic, you can always heat it up a little bit with a heat gun beforehand to help make it a little easier.